In this video, I'm going to do a little bit more with vectors. We're going to do a dot product and we're going to find the angle between two vectors. So for the dot product, we're finding u dot w. U is 3, 4 and w is negative 2, 1. So for the dot product here, we're going to have 3, 4 dotted with negative 2, 1. To do a dot product, you multiply the x components, so 3, negative 2. You multiply the y components, and then you add them together. The dot product is a number, not a vector. So we get negative 6 plus 4. So negative 2 is the dot product of u and w. Then to find the angle between two vectors, the cosine of the angle is equal to the dot product, so u dotted with w, divided by the product of their magnitudes. So the magnitude of u times the magnitude of w. So on this one, the angle between these two vectors, we have u dot w over the product of their magnitudes. So the magnitude of u times the magnitude of w. We are going to we already found the dot product, that's negative 2. So I'm going to come over here and find the magnitude of u and the magnitude of w. Magnitude of u, remember, would be the square root of the x component squared and the y components squared added together. This is 9 and 16, so square root of 25, which is 5. And then the magnitude of w, we are looking at negative 2 squared and 1 squared. So that is equal to the square root of 5. So we have then negative 2 over 5 root 5. Remember, that's cosine of the angle. We don't want cosine of the angle, we want the angle. So we're going to take the cosine inverse on both sides. So that'll give us theta on the left, and on the right we'll have cosine inverse of negative 2 over 5 root 5. And we'll use a calculator. Put yourself in degree mode in your calculator. And then we're going to do cosine inverse of negative 2 divided by, and be careful here, put that bottom in parentheses. So open parenthesis 5 square root of 5, and then close, and we get 100.3 degrees between those two vectors. That's a 100. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know.